let's start Pizza Hut style jalapeno poppers. For this recipe I need chicken mince. For this I'm just grinding it without adding anything else. I have grinded the chicken pieces here. And now I will take few jalapeno peppers or achar wala shimla mirch, and I have washed it and pat it dry. And now I will just cut it, the stem portion, a little bit so that I can scoop out the seeds from the pepper with the help of a spoon, the back side of the spoon. Just slowly scoop it out because we don't need the seeds here. Normally this jalapeno pepper is not spicy. I'll take out the seeds here. Just I'm making a hole so that I can put my stuffings inside it. With this jalapeno pepper, or in India it is called achar wala shimla mirch. So you can make pickles out of this, different type of pickles, and you can make vinegar. You can put this chilies into the vinegar and the aroma comes out wonderful. My jalapeno peppers are ready, and now to the chicken. Now I will add ginger garlic paste into it, some salt to taste and some chili flakes, and mix all the ingredients properly. My lovely viewers, if you have not yet subscribed my channel, please do subscribe, press the bell, like, and don't forget to share with your friends. You can follow me in my Facebook page or Tea Bakes and MOHUA'S Kitchen for more recipes. And now I will add around about 1 teaspoon of oil. We don't need much oil here. Into a pan, I'll heat it up and I will add the chicken pieces, as we have marinated the chicken with some ginger garlic paste, salt, pepper and chili flakes. And now I will cook the chicken pieces in medium heat so that the chicken cooks, as it is boneless chicken, so, and minced too, it will not take much time to cook. And now coming to the white sauce, I have melted 2 tablespoons of butter. Into it I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida, but gradually, one by one. And your flame should be in slow, as it is white sauce, we need a white color into it. And we'll just saute this maida or all-purpose flour just to get rid of the raw smell from it. And remember, there should not be any lumps. So now I will add round about 2 cups of milk slowly and whisk it properly. After mixing the maida and the milk properly, now I will add some chili powder into it and some salt to taste, as I will add some cheese here, so be careful while adding the salt. And now I will add some pepper into it, and here is my processed cheese. You can add this processed cheese by making it cubes or grated it into it. And when the cheese melts, then switch off the gas and set aside. And when it cools down a little bit, then add it to the chicken pieces. My white sauce is ready, and now I will switch off the gas and my next step starts. While making white sauce, remember one thing: be very careful while making the sauce. Your flame should be low, and slowly add the maida and whisk it properly with the milk so that it should not form any lumps. And now I will pour the white sauce into my chicken, and I will mix it properly. Along with it, I'm going to add some mozzarella cheese, or any cheese you have got at home, you can add that too. So now in a paper bag, I'm just pouring this so that it will be easy for me to stuff the stuffings into my jalapeno peppers. You can stuff it with your hands too, but I have used here one piping bag. Now I have finished stuffing my jalapenos. See, everything is stuffed properly. And now I will cover the jalapeno with the stems which we have cut and kept aside with the help of a toothpick. I'm going to cover my jalapeno so that the stuffings does not come out while frying. And now I will beat 1 egg Into it I have added some salt, and into my biscuit crumbs I have added 2 tablespoons of maida or all-purpose flour into it. And now the final stage comes. I will dip the jalapeno into the egg once, and then again I will dip it into the biscuit crumbs and maida mixture, coat it well, and then again I will dip it in the egg mixture. Remember, we need to do it twice to coat the jalapeno or the peppers properly from all the sides. And after doing this, set aside. And now the last stage, where we need to fry it. Follow my recipe step by step, and I'm sure your kids will love it, and you will not spend money to have this outside. And now the final thing, and ready for frying. We need to fry it in hot oil. We need deep frying here, and slowly just shake out the excess crumbs, and now fry it in the hot oil till golden brown. It's amazing, it's wonderful. Remember, while frying you just need to do it in medium heat, and don't overcook it, as you have added the stuffings inside. There is cheese too, or it will come out. And while frying, just sometimes you just need to increase your heat and sometimes decrease the heat. Enjoy this lovely recipe, and do let me know in the comment section how did you like it. Bye bye, take care, till my next video.